Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to take you on a fascinating tour through the heart of Melbourne, Australia. Before we dive into this experience, let me share some interesting facts about this incredible tourist destination. Melbourne, known as the capital of the state of Victoria, is located on the southeast coast of Australia. This vibrant city has gained worldwide renown for its unique architecture, diverse cultural scene, and, of course, its popularity as a tourist destination. The history of Melbourne dates back to the 1830s when it was founded by European settlers. Since then, it has experienced steady growth, becoming a cosmopolitan metropolis that retains its historic charm. Over the years, Melbourne has witnessed historical events, cultural changes, and impressive architectural development. Now, let's delve into the heart of the city, specifically into the famous Swanston Street. This main artery stretches through the center of Melbourne, traversing iconic areas and offering visitors a unique experience. But why is Swanston Street so popular? The answer is simple. Swanston Street is the epicenter of urban life in Melbourne. Packed with fashionable shops, charming cafes, renowned theaters, and an unparalleled energy, this street has earned its place as one of the most sought-after tourist destinations in the city. One reason Swanston Street is beloved is its cultural diversity. Here, you can find a wide range of restaurants serving delights from around the world. From exquisite Asian dishes to authentic European flavors, the gastronomy on Swanston Street is a feast for food lovers. But it's not just about eating. Swanston Street also hosts a vibrant artistic scene. Theaters like the Regent Theatre and Princess Theatre attract audiences worldwide with their world-class theatrical productions. The cultural offerings don't stop here. Art galleries, cinemas, and amazing street events also contribute to the cultural richness of this area. As we stroll along Swanston Street, we can't overlook the surrounding architecture. Historic buildings blend with modern skyscrapers, creating a unique mix of architectural styles. The famous Flinders Street Station, located near Swanston Street, is internationally recognized and a must-see landmark on any visit to Melbourne. Now, let me tell you a bit more about Melbourne's location in general. The city is situated on the southeast coast of Australia, in Port Phillip Bay. Its strategic position makes it an ideal gateway to explore other regions of Victoria and enjoy the natural beauty the state has to offer. Melbourne is known for its varied climate, with 4 well-defined seasons. From warm summers to cool winters, each season offers a unique experience for visitors. This diverse climate also contributes to the rich biodiversity found around Melbourne. Now, as we continue our journey through Swanston Street, I want to share another interesting fact with you. Melbourne has been ranked as one of the most livable cities in the world on multiple occasions. This distinction is due to its quality of life, cultural offerings, and attention to environmental sustainability. Isn't that incredible? But let's get back to Swanston Street. In addition to food, culture, and architecture, this street is also famous for its events and festivals. From street parades to cultural celebrations, Swanston Street becomes the stage for various activities throughout the year. Locals and tourists gather to enjoy live music, street art exhibitions, and the lively atmosphere that permeates the street. Now, let's talk a bit more about Melbourne's history. As I mentioned earlier, the city was founded in the 1830s during the Australian Gold Rush. Since then, it has gone through various transformations, from urban expansion to the development of modern infrastructure. During the 19th century, Melbourne experienced rapid economic growth thanks to the Gold Rush. This boom attracted immigrants from around the world, contributing to the cultural diversity that characterizes the city today. The architecture from the Golden Era is still preserved in some historic buildings that we can admire while exploring Swanston Street. Melbourne is home to numerous famous tourist attractions that draw visitors from around the world. Let's highlight some of these iconic landmarks and must-visit spots. Federation Square. Located in the heart of the city, Federation Square is a cultural and entertainment hub. It hosts events, art exhibitions, and is surrounded by restaurants and cafes. Flinders Street Station, an iconic railway station with its distinctive yellow facade, Flinders Street Station is not only a transportation hub but also a symbol of Melbourne. Royal Botanic Gardens, a tranquil oasis in the midst of the city, the Royal Botanic Gardens offer a peaceful escape with beautifully landscaped gardens, walking paths, and diverse plant collections. Eureka Tower. For stunning panoramic views of Melbourne, head to the Eureka Sky Deck within the Eureka Tower. It's the tallest building in Melbourne and provides breathtaking views of the city skyline. National Gallery of Victoria. NGV art enthusiasts will appreciate the NGV, which houses an extensive collection of artworks, including pieces by Australian and international artists. Queen Victoria Market. A bustling market that has been operating for over a century, Queen Victoria Market is the place to experience Melbourne's vibrant food scene, shop for fresh produce, and explore unique stalls. Melbourne Cricket Ground. MCG, a mecca for sports fans. The MCG is one of the world's most famous stadiums. It hosts cricket matches, Australian rules football games, and major events. St Kilda Beach. Just a short tram ride from the city centre, St Kilda Beach offers a picturesque coastal escape with sandy shores, a historic pier, and lively seaside attractions. State Library of Victoria. A cultural and architectural gem, the State Library of Victoria is not only a significant library but also a beautiful building with reading rooms and exhibitions. Chinatown. Melbourne's Chinatown is the oldest in Australia and is a vibrant precinct with an array of restaurants, shops, and cultural events. These attractions, along with the previously mentioned Swanston Street, contribute to Melbourne's allure as a diverse and captivating destination for tourists. Melbourne is a paradise for food enthusiasts, offering a diverse culinary scene with a wide array of options. Here are some of the most popular foods and notable street food destinations in the city. Coffee culture. Melbourne is renowned for its coffee culture, and you'll find countless cafes scattered throughout the city. Popular areas such as De Grave Street and Centre Place are filled with cozy cafes serving artisanal coffee. Avocado toast, a quintessential Melbourne breakfast dish. Avocado toast can be found on the menu of many trendy cafes. Enjoy it with a variety of toppings like poached eggs, feta, or smoked salmon. Asian fusion. Melbourne's multiculturalism is reflected in its diverse Asian cuisine. Visit places like Chin Chin for modern Thai flavors, or explore the flavors of Vietnam at places like Pho Nam. Italian fare in Ligon Street. Known as Melbourne's Little Italy, Ligon Street in Carlton is a haven for lovers of Italian cuisine. Enjoy pasta, pizza, and gelato in this vibrant neighborhood. Food trucks. Melbourne's food truck scene is thriving, offering a variety of cuisines on the go. Check out popular food truck parks such as Welcome to Thornbury for a diverse selection of street food. Queen Victoria Market. Besides being a shopping destination, Queen Victoria Market is a foodie's paradise. Explore the deli hall for gourmet cheeses, fresh produce, and international treats. Greek delights in Richmond. Head to Richmond, particularly Swan Street, for a taste of Melbourne's Greek cuisine. Indulge in souvlaki, moussaka, and baklava at the authentic Greek restaurants in the area. Gelato Messina. For a sweet treat, visit Gelato Messina on Smith Street. Known for its creative gelato flavors and decadent desserts, it's a must-visit for dessert lovers. Burgers in Collingwood. Collingwood is home to some of Melbourne's best burger joints. Enjoy a gourmet burger with unique toppings and flavor combinations in this trendy neighborhood. Street art and eats in Fitzroy. Explore the vibrant streets of Fitzroy, known for its street art and eclectic atmosphere. Along Brunswick Street, you'll find an array of eateries offering everything from vegetarian cuisine to global street food. Melbourne's food scene is dynamic and ever-evolving, making it a culinary adventure for locals and visitors alike. Whether you're savoring a cup of coffee in a laneway or indulging in international flavors at a food truck, Melbourne has something to satisfy every palate. As we progress along the street, it's impossible not to notice the mix of the old and the new. Modern fashion stores occupy buildings with historic facades, creating a unique fusion of styles and eras. This combination of the classic and the contemporary is part of what makes Melbourne so attractive to visitors. And so, we reach the end of our tour of Swanston Street in the center of Melbourne. I hope you've enjoyed exploring this fascinating city with me. Before we say goodbye, I want to ask you to share and comment on this video. What do you think of Melbourne so far? Is there anything that has surprised you or that you would like to explore further? I look forward to reading your comments and seeing you in the next video. Until next time, travelers.